So we are quickly gonna take a look here at this new flashlight from Fenix. This is the E09R, which is rechargeable. There is a USB-C charging port directly outside here of the flashlight. You just have to unscrew this cover, and there's gonna be the USB-C charging input and a small indicator LED that shows you the charging status. There is one button to operate this flashlight. Press and hold the switch to switch it on or off. One single press changes the brightness level. When you press and hold the switch, you get the turbo with 600 lumens. When you release the switch, it goes back to the previously used setting. A double click gives you this lockout mode. Now it's locked. And again a double click to unlock. Now to the package we got the flashlight itself as well as the charging cable, USB-A to C, spare O-rings, a keychain, user manual, warranty card. All those items are included, and the battery is already built in. 600 lumens burst, so that means as long as you hold the switch, or as long as you press and hold the switch, you get those 600 lumens. And here you can see the different levels. Burst 600, 3970 candelas. That gives you beam distance of about 124 meters. 300 lumens high, 100 lumens medium, and the low mode with 25 lumens. And there's also a moonlight mode, which is great with 3 lumens. This is how it looks like, and in the manual you can see there are a few small step downs in turbo and high, as well as also just in the 100 lumen mode. It's not a huge difference, but there's gonna be a little step down in the brightness over time, but it's almost the full level as it seems according to this manual here. So there's not going to be a huge step down. In other lights usually it's a bit larger. I am not sure about the turbo, those 600 lumens. I believe that will step down as well. Anyways, as soon as you release the switch, when you are in turbo with 600 lumens, it instantly goes down to the previously used setting. So there is not a constant on with 600 lumens. You just really have to press and hold the switch to get turbo. But I would say it's totally fine for such a small flashlight. I would recommend this as just a small backup light. So for that purpose, I would say it's fine with those 600 lumens burst. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment. You can also take a look at the online store. Right now it is mostly just in German, so there's gonna be an English translation in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.